What's up, guys? Happy Turkey Day. Hope y'all are having a good one. Y'all comment below what you're thankful for. Thomas is here with me. We just got to the family's house, and we're gonna surprise them with a little challenge today. All right, well, let's see what they're working on inside. Dad, what you working on? My food ready?
I'm getting there. I mean, I got most things kind of happening the way they should be. They're on schedule.
Y'all comment below what your favorite food is for Thanksgiving.
If y'all haven't bought a Parksart shirt yet, link in description below.
Thomas figured out something really depressing.
Yeah.
Where are the mashed potatoes?
Tommy skipped out on the mashed potatoes.
He tried to finesse us today. I'll see you. I'll just let y'all know if I can pass through this one. Hey, Dad. Where'd you put the mashed potatoes?
Right here.
How's it going, family?
Hey, hey!
Woo-hoo! All right. So today I got a challenge for y'all. Y'all have no idea what we're doing.
No idea.
Let's do it.
But it's gonna be an art challenge. We're gonna be drawing. What are y'all guessing we're drawing today?
A turkey.
You.
Something with Thanksgiving.
I want to see y'all's best turkeys drawn. And whoever wins,
Just a turkey?
$100
it's
gift
$100.
card.
We're going shopping.
Let's meet contestant number 1.
Tell you here, Parker's older brother. It's a fun fact. I'm actually a certified school counselor, but I'm about to show my art skills today. Just watch.
I'm Mom.
What do you like to do?
I like to write.
Are you scared for this art challenge today?
I'm excited. I think it'll be fun. I think I'm a pretty creative person.
Are you competitive?
Not as competitive, no, as some of my other family members, I will say.
What's up, guys? Let me not do that. What's up, guys? I'm Eve. I'm Parker's sister. I'm really excited for this challenge. I hope I win, and I hope the prize is amazing.
What are your hobbies?
I don't have any. I'm a bartender. I'm good at that.
Are you good at art?
No. So I'm really interested. I'm a writer. Me and my mom write, so we're good at writing. So I'm interested to see if we're creative enough for this challenge.
All right, I'm Parker's dad. I'm Tommy Ellis, here to come today, and I'm ready to take down the challenge.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a family doc, you know, see a little bit of everything, cradle to grave, do it every day. Am I an artist? That's a tough one. I'm just not really sure. It's been a long time. I had a brother who was into the art stuff. He did it for a while. I never really did it because I went on to school, did all the other stuff. But I'm ready to see what I got.
Are you gonna bring it to the table today?
I'm bringing it all to the table.
You think you're gonna win?
I mean, if I don't win, it's been rigged. What you think?
All right, y'all have all the materials inside, so let's go.
Everyone is gonna try and do like the turkey, like bird, but I'm gonna do the turkey on the plate. So it's gonna be like the meal, and I'm gonna put like the sides.
That's
and
a good
all that
idea.
stuff. So that way it's not like anyone else.
I found this turkey right here. It's kind of dabbing. Oh, so that's what I'm using as a reference. I don't know if it's gonna come out like that, but we're gonna attempt it.
All right, Mom. So what's your plan?
So I'm thinking that my turkey's gonna be really fat turkey, like beach ball fat turkey, because I think the best turkeys are fat turkeys. And it's probably gonna be pretty fluffy too.
Well, I mean, I think turkey lives matter.
That's awesome.
Don't you think? Okay.
All right, guys, so as I said before, I'm letting my Instagram followers decide the winner. So y'all make sure you follow All right, guys, I need everybody to stop. Put your markers down for 1 second. So I have a bucket hat full of slips of paper. There's 3 options. So one says switch. So that means you have to switch with the person in front of you. You have to switch with the person in front of you. The other one says eliminated. So if you grab this one, you're eliminated from the challenge. Sorry, guys. And there's safe.
Did you hear that?
The last one is safe, so you don't have to worry about anything. You're good.
So this man really just hit us with a surprise.
How is he gonna
During the middle of the challenge, you can see people are a little flustered.
What?
Don't y'all think Eve should be eliminated?
So I scared him. I scared him with the elimination, but I'm gonna take it out because I want to see everybody finish.
Because he gets eliminated.
Oh, let's go!
No!
Yes, sir!
No!
Yes, sir!
Who's next?
Dang, that's one safe out of the hat.
You want
I'll
to?
go next.
You want
That's
to
the
choose?
worst
Okay.
part. That's what I was
I don't want to go. I'm scared. If I get eliminated, I'm going to be pissed.
Really with that?
No, we're not good. If you don't.
We can't all be safe.
There's a
We
couple.
could all be
We
safe.
could. There was a lot of
Yeah,
different
you
ones
can
in
all
there.
be safe.
I feel like I don't have that.
No. We're good at that.
I ain't telling you.
Why?
I don't know. Switch it up.
Who cares?
To Tommy's little art abilities.
What are we?
Oh! He's out of
I'm
here.
going to be the only one eliminated.
Wow.
I'm
After all that. We're all
Oh,
safe.
let me see.
We all got saved. I wanted to get a switch so that
Alright,
I
we
could
done- are
go
we
back
good to
and
start
ruin
back?
theirs.
Are we good to start back?
Y'all can start back. You have 1 more hour left.
So once everybody's done, I'm gonna put it on my Instagram poll, and I'm gonna let it go for at least 2 hours.
Okay, so this is my artwork. I went for like the humor route, very different than what everyone else did. So I guess I'm a little bit worried because everyone else did like actual turkey and I did like a comedic route. So fingers crossed that everyone finds something funny.
So I just decided to kind of channel my inner turkey and kind of express the fact that I'm just always second guessing everything. So I went with the, questioning myself route. So I don't know. It was fun. I enjoyed spending time with the family. I'm feeling really good about Dad's chances though. I think he's really in tune to the culture right now. I think
He really put a lot of detail
I think
into
he's
it.
got a good chance to win. I also think I like that Eve's is funny, and I think that people need some funny right now. So I'm kind of feeling good about her chances too. So I don't know. It was a fun experience either way.
Show me what you got.
Got this turkey hitting a mean dab. As you can see, the texture going crazy. I mean, I told y'all at the beginning of this that I was the artist in this competition.
How you feel about everybody else's?
I'm not gonna lie, Tommy's is real clean, Eve's is trash, Amy's is creative. I'm really only worried about Tommy, I think, for the competition though.
Yeah, he did put a lot of time into
Yeah,
it.
but I mean, come on. The only thing he's got me beat on is a little background. I'm not worried about background when the first thing is this great,
Thanksgiving. Turkey lives matter.
They do indeed.
Look, I mean, so you got the, he's on the farm. He's hoping he gets saved. Everybody cares about him. He's got his friends over here, his fellow cow, his fellow pig. They're just telling everybody, say no to the turkey. Don't eat the turkey. Just say no, right? So, I mean, it's kind of fitting. I mean, it's fitting for 2020.
What's up, yo? Hello? You're slow. How's it going?
Just chilling.
So I got some news for you.
Yeah?
With 33% of the votes, you did not win the $100.
No. Okay, well, the next challenge, I'm gonna win.
So where do they need to subscribe for the next challenge?
Parksart.
There you go. All right, I love you. I'll see you later. So, how you think you did, Thomas?
Well, I called it from the start. I think I won. So anything other than that wouldn't even make sense.
I feel that. I feel that. So the votes came in.
All right.
It really wasn't that close. But it was 33%. Eve, 67. Kelly, you win the $100.
Let's go.
What are you gonna spend?
That's what I'm talking
What are you gonna
about.
What are you gonna spend it on?
To be realistic, it's probably going back to him for rent. But we're gonna keep this thing going.
I need y'all to like, subscribe.
You know what I'm saying?
We gotta make these
Look,
giveaways
we
bigger.
we knew I was gonna win this. Come on, best artist in the band besides my boy here.